So, hello and welcome to a new challenge. This time the challenge number 100 from Omid about duplicate values. Let's take a look at the case. So, if the value is a duplicate, we should write there an English letter in sequence. So from A to C, if there isn't a sequence, then we should write nothing. And yeah, the letter should be in sequence, so after A comes B and so on and so on. So and for this I will first count where we have duplicates. So this I will count the duplicates, and no, this will not work. So filter, also select this array. Now I see where I have duplicates. Now I can do something if this is larger than 1, then add here an A, otherwise add nothing. Oh yeah, A in brackets, yeah, for sure. So now I have something to add everywhere the letter A, so our starting letter. And now I will do this I will now search for this, and if there is something above, I will add with the letter A, I will add a special letter, and if there's nothing, then I will add nothing. So I couldn't do this before to add an A every time when it's the first try, because then I would also add an A here to the 102, but I don't want to have an A here because it's not a duplicate. So sounds complicated, but never mind. I will use the reduce function here. Initial value doesn't matter. Currently array is this here, lambda A and B. And now I will search if the value is already above. So I will search in A because I will search B in A because it's my so-called trailing. These are my trailing values from before, and I will search for the last one. This will become important later. And now you can see there isn't something for n because n doesn't have a value, but if I VSTACK A and this one, you see, oh, no, we have an error here. So I can't make it here this way. So and now I will have an if function. If this is a number, so we have a match, so there is a duplicate. Okay, I will need wildcard match here. Or no, I will do, because I will need to search for the first 3 letters of B and the first 3 letters of A. There. Now, if this is a ISNUMBER, so if there is a match, then I will take index of A, and therefore I will need n. So n is where is my match in the array A. I will take the right to get the CHAR that's there. Then I want to have the code of this, and then I want to add there 1, and then I will concat this with the first 3 letters of B, and otherwise I will output B. this will hand out 109, but now let's take a look at the VSTACK. So this is the value the result I wanted. Now I can add here in the header. Product ID is then my header, beautifully in here. So here you see I add everywhere where I have a duplicate, I add the letter A. And here in this function, I have I call it the trailing value with my array A, and also the like map value with my value B. And for I search if is there a match. So is there a match for the first three characters in the match in the other three characters of this array, but in the A array, so in our trailing array. So I search if I'm here in this row, for example, 107A is the value I map here. Now I search for 107 in this array here above, and I will hand out the match here. So in this case, this will then be handed out as a number. And so if this is a number, I will jump here. I will take the first three characters from this number here, and then I will take a character from my match, so from B here. I will take this, only the character. Then I will have code with the code function, I will hand out the Unicode number of this character. Then I will add on and make it with CHAR. You translate Unicode numbers in Unicode characters, and therefore I will get the next character of all of this. And therefore it works. Now we can add everything together. So bring this here in, and also instead of all those references, I want a single reference. I, I, close brackets, and it's done. So you see here, reduce is a little bit handy. This could also be done better, but there wasn't an obvious thing, an obvious better solution for me. Also with this, because I have the problem when I use reduce, I don't know if something will be a duplicate or not. So I need to check first if there is a duplicate from my point of view, because otherwise I will also add an A here, or I will not add an A here, and so on and so on. So first I will check for the duplicates, and then I will add an additional character, or make the character once bigger, like in the scan kind of thing. And what's also cool with my solution, I can potentially add here something later, and it will also get the same result. So here you saw there's 108 in between. Doesn't matter. The 107 is done after D, so with an E, and here after the A there's a B. So this is a fully dynamic solution, but only for the first 26 characters and only for numbers that are 3 characters long. So thank you for your attention, and congratulations to Omid for 100 challenges. I hope that you will be part in my next challenges. Thank you for attention. See you next time.